Nah, you don't need no shoes. This is the microwave challenge here. It's not even on. This is the microwave challenge with SITESBOYZTUBE.
No, I'm not even gonna say that.
No, you got to before it's over.
I'll say it at the
like,
end.
Subscribe,
I'll say that.
Fork. Spinners.
The egg.
Raw
Put that
egg.
in for 4 minutes.
Mustard
5
balloon.
minutes.
No.
5 minutes.
Diablo
5
hot
minutes
sauce.
is a nice number, a nice even number.
Applesauce.
Hey, Athena just took the banana and the egg.
The dog actually stole that off the counter. And then the grand finale is a bit of a surprise. We're not going to reveal that yet, but all right. Is it on? Did it turn on? I couldn't hear it.
It did. Didn't you hear it?
It is indeed on. Okay, so let's get behind the barrier. That's why it's there for safety. Actually, go here. Get behind the barrier. Hold the camera. I gotta go get you guys safety glasses. That was the egg. Okay, did it pop? Here's your safety glasses.
Let's go see it.
Okay, well, that didn't take 5 minutes.
Yeah, because
What was that? It was like 3, I would say.
No, not even 2.
2?
Maybe 1.
All right.
No.
Uriah, go get something else, buddy.
Whatever you want. Look at the
Nothing
door.
metal yet. Banana? Okay, let's get the banana in there.
1 minute? 5 minutes. Because it's not going to take 5 minutes to pop. Here.
We are new to this, so please like and subscribe. Give us some ideas of what you'd like to see videos of. We can make them. Okay. Nothing too exciting here. Basically, it's just a boiling hot
Oh,
banana.
it smells like eggs.
So, Uriah already has the next thing. Go ahead and use that and get that banana out of there.
Just here. Ew, hot.
Be careful, that stuff's hot.
It's hot.
Yeah, duh. Okay, so the next thing is obviously now going to be the fork. We're just going to crank this all the way up, and we're just going to let it
do
run.
this for
We're just going to let it run for a couple minutes each time. We're not actually going to...
Wait. Well, we're just gonna. Nothing. The egg is cooking. Come here. This looks like scrambled eggs. Come here. Put down in the comments if that looks like scrambled eggs. Doesn't that look like scrambled eggs? Yes. There's 3 minutes left.
Oh, and start to smoke.
I'm gonna put it up on
Dude, that is
the
going to be
safety
super
position.
hot. I hope I got you picking that up. Why would you pick up a banana that we just took out of a microwave that was in there for almost 5 minutes? Why would you do that? Uh-huh, okay. Guys, again, we are new to this, so please like and subscribe. We're just trying to I'm trying to make something for my children, trying to give them something to look forward to as they grow and get older. And
he is checking it right now. Yes, it is. I'm going to check it. Doesn't that look like scrambled eggs? Okay. Yes. Now we'll do the mustard blend. Hold on, wait, guys. Yeah, mustard blend.
I gotta see. Look, there's a garden.
Oh my gosh.
Well, I think we blew the microwave up, honestly. We could try moving it or something. Here, hold both.
Right in here, I mean, that's the only other option we have. Oh my gosh, this thing is awesome. This is gonna need some gas.
What are you guys gonna do?
Ride the bikes.
You're gonna ride bike? What are you doing? You
It's like mustard on my foot.
are you then after you wash mustard off, what?
Can you
Are you gonna play any PlayStation?
probably?
Are you gonna be recording on there?
Mm-hmm. Can I?
Why don't you tell the people what your gamer tag is so they can watch you on Twitch whenever you get it up and running? Boom!
Oh, that's where the mustard was too.
Yes! And it's on camera. So,
Can you watch me ride my bike?
doing
Right. Okay. So we are on our way to Walmart to get some stuff for a little prank on Uriah here later on tonight.
And Gabe.
Yeah, Gabe will probably. If he catches us, that's the only way that I really want him in on it is if he catches us, because he scares really easy.
Yeah, that's what would be funny.
So yeah, we gotta go get some
But like
stuff.
whenever I scream, I'll.
It was kind of a dud because the microwave that was given to me at my job, and I knew that you had to run it for at least 2 minutes in order to get it up to heat.
Yeah.
But I didn't realize that it was gonna die after only doing the banana and the pork and the egg.
That on the fork.
I wish we would have gotten to do what we wanted to with that because
But tomorrow.
the other stuff. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna get us another microwave, and that will be continued. Yes, BFE. That is. Oh, watch this bump right here. Ugh. No, I was just making sure I wasn't gonna get smashed here.
What is these people doing? Am I game? Am I car wash?
These are the future leaders of our country. God help us.
I can't because none of you guys are staying in the car. If there was somebody.
Cheerleader.
Oh wait, no.
Well, I'm getting my fork out of this.
Did you see the new plug? Are you taking that in?
Yeah, I got four.
Out of the camera.
Alright, so guys, we're going in.
Are those fuzzy heads?
Put them on the head. You look like a raccoon.
Who?
You.
No, this is just me now.
What?
Oh.
No.
Need dog food. She liked that gravy train and stuff. Oops, sorry. Thought it was right Oh, we're gonna do one day.
24-hour challenge.
No. No.
There's a little one, Meal.
No, because I'd have to stay close to that. Yeah, I would just do the 24 hours.
Wait.
Yeah, I got you guys. Whoa! You got pranked, sucker! And it's recorded! Yeah! What's wrong? You didn't like that? You didn't like that, huh? I thought it was pretty funny. Want to say anything? Say anything to YouTube?
Yeah, of course.
Huh? I love you. Say what's up.
What up, homie?
Can we at least get a thumb up? Just a thumb up. Just one thumb up. Okay. He thumbed up it. 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 Hey, it's got the gauge seal of approval. He thumbed up it.
What?
He thumbs up it. Can we get a thumbs up? Well, like and subscribe. That's the dog's share. You're just getting all nasty. It's the dog's chair. Just say, thanks for watching, like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Okay, I need to do something. Let the camera off.
Say it. You say it. Thanks for watching, like.
Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow. Next weekend. Say thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Say it. Say it. Say it. Say it. Say it. Your mess is in it. Oh my god, look at our area. Here, I don't know how dark this actually is. It looks really dark. I let her free roam during the day. Yeah. Like and subscribe.
We should like
Let's try to get like, and in this one video, in this outro, I want you to say, let's try to get 100 likes on this video. It's not many, but we are just starting out. This is our first real video, other than the gameplay that has been up for 2 months now.
yeah, this is on.
Please like and subscribe.
No, like say we're doing.
Please like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. We're over by the river. We're not gonna go all the way down because we don't have dirt. Well, I'm only 9 in my brother's house. Damn. What is it? What's today? Bro, this is not just bar. Dude, we're gonna cross. We're gonna be savages, right?
Yep.
We're gonna be savage. We're gonna be savage. We're like he has swim. You wanna see one swim? I don't know how to speak Spanish. That's gonna be it for today's video.